Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this Shraddha Kapoor inspired makeup look. A lot of you guys asked me for this and this has been pending for long. So finally here it is. I really love how natural it looks and how chic it looks, and it definitely can be worn on an everyday basis. So let's get started. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Prime. You guys know that this is my absolute favorite. I love this primer and I'm applying it all over my face and then blending it with my fingers. I love how this does not have a silicone texture to it. Next, I'm taking this new product. This is a Loreal Illuminator and I was just trying to see how it works. So before applying the foundation, I applied it on all the high points of my face. Next, I'm using this L'Oreal 24-hour foundation, and this was my first time trying it and I absolutely love this foundation and how natural it looks. So I'm applying this foundation all over my face and I'm blending it with a damp Real Techniques sponge. Next, taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, I'm going to apply it in my under eye area and then blend it with the help of my damp sponge. Then taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I'm going to apply it also in my under eye area on top of the other concealer, just to highlight that area, and then blend it with the same damp sponge. So I use the first concealer to hide my dark circles because the salmon shade in it really helps to hide the dark circles, and I use the second concealer to highlight that area. A lot of you have asked me this question, so here's the answer. Next, taking this Bharat and Dorris loose powder, this is in the number 7. I'm going to dunk my sponge in it and I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer to seal the concealer, and I'm not going to bake it today. I'm just going to blend it with the help of the sponge, and whatever's left on the sponge I'm going to apply it all over my face and set the base. Next, taking Maybelline the Nudes palette and taking this dark brown shade, I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm taking this Color Bar flat eyeshadow brush, and I love this brush to do my brows, so I just fill my eyebrows with this eyeshadow. Next, taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette and taking this brown shade. It's a neutral brown shade and it's perfect for the crease, and with the help of my Oriflame blending brush, I'm going to apply it all over my crease and blend it really well. So I am adding the color little at a time and then adding more color till the time I'm happy with the intensity of the color. Next, taking this dark brown shade, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. This gives a very beautiful smoky effect and it looks very natural. I love this brown eyeshadow look. I love the way how it looks. I love how smoky it looks, and I don't even have to use a lot of eyeshadows to achieve this look. It is super easy and it looks really good. So I'm adding more color to it till the time I'm happy with the intensity and blending the eyeshadow. Then taking the same dark brown shade, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And the brush I'm using is a blending brush from Studio Best. Next, taking this Smoky Plum eyeshadow palette from the Body Shop, I'm picking up this Plum shade, and this one is a gorgeous shade, and I'm applying it on the bottom of my eyelids near the lash line. So I'm putting most of the color near the lash line to give that gradient effect, so it'll be a deeper color near the lash line, then the lighter shades as you go up near the crease. And I'm slightly blending it with the help of the Oriflame blending brush. Then I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara, and this mascara is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I love this mascara and I don't feel like using any other mascara. Here I'm wearing Miss Claire lashes number 57. I love how inexpensive the lashes are and how good they look. Now taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm gonna apply it close to the lash line so that the lash glue doesn't show. And by the way guys, a lot of you asked me about the contact lens that I'm wearing. The color is Hazel and I don't remember the brand, but I bought it from Himalaya Opticals. Then taking this Maybelline lip liner, this is in the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. I searched for a nude eye pencil, but I did not find any. So finally I bought this one, and I only use it for my eyes. I don't use it on my lips. Then taking the Body Shop bronzer in the shade Deep Matte, I'm going to bronze my face. And the brush I'm using is a blush brush from Oriflame. This one is also new. This is the Maybelline Master Blush Color and Highlighting Kit, and I'm taking this beautiful baby pink color and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, and I'm using a QVS blush brush. Then taking the highlight shade from the same palette, I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face, and the brush I'm using is a foundation brush from Studio West. I really love how natural the highlighter looks. Next, taking this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink, I'm going to line my lips and also fill my lips with this. And then I'm going to apply this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. This one is also a new product and I love this lipstick. Here I'm applying highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Nude Allude. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. So I ended up using a bunch of new products in this video and I loved everything I used, especially the foundation. A lot of you guys asked me for a skincare routine. I promise I'm gonna do it as soon as we reach 20k. Thank you so much for watching and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.